14-year-old girl is brought to you for evaluation of absence of onset of menses. History indicates that she experienced growth spurt at the age of 11. Her breast and pubic hair development began approximately 3 years ago. She has no other medical condition and takes no medications. She is not sexually active. There is no history of cyclical abdominal pain. Breast and pubic hair is Tanner stage 4. She appears to be appropriate height. Her abdomen is normal. Local examination is normal, and you can feel the uterus on per rectal examination.
Okay, I'm
For
very
each of the
important,
following-
Sushma. When you read the question,
Yes, ma'am.
read this lead statement. What is the most likely next step in her management?
Can we do the hormone profile, ma'am?
Okay, that is why when I put this slide, I told you that it is very important to know the definitions when we call them as a patient with a primary amenorrhea. What is the definition of primary amenorrhea?
With secondary sexual characteristics, it is delayed. We can wait till 16 years.
Then why are you doing a hormone profile?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. No treatment.
She requires?
No treatment.
Right now, she requires no treatment because the patient who have primary amenorrhea, either nothing is present and she is more than 14, or if secondary sexual characters are present and she is more than 16. Menarche not achieved after 5 years of Thela. These are the definitions of primary amenorrhea where she requires a further investigation to be started. Okay? Because this patient is still 14 years, she has everything well developed. There may be physiological delay, which is more common than any pathology. So we can wait.
Ma'am, if she was 16, then what would be the
investigation?
Okay.
Then they will have to give you some scenario to diagnose the condition.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very nice.